Welcome to our newest tool, eFunds for Schools. This is going to allow parents and students to be able to come in and make payments electronically. The first thing that you're going to want to do is come right over here to create an account and create a username and password. The asterisks are the required fields, so if you don't enter anything there, you will not be able to proceed. So just make sure that you have something in each of those fields. You'll see that phone and address are not required, so you don't have to enter that information if you don't want. And then we're going to go ahead and create account. Now that we're logged in, we want to go ahead and manage our account and manage students. And we're going to go ahead and look up our student. And there's Johnny Doe right there. Okay. If that, for whatever reason, comes up and that's not your student, you can click this X right here to take them off. And you'll just hit yes here. We're going to hit no because that's the right one. And then we'll continue on to home. And so now we've attached our student to our account and we're ready to now start making payments against their account. And so if, for instance, we wanted to fund their lunch balance, we could come up here and click fund lunch, and then we want to go ahead and do Johnny Doe school lunch. So if you had multiple children in the system, you would have several different names right here. We're going to go ahead and click on Johnny Doe. We can enter that amount that we want to pay and we can add that to cart. Now when you go to check out, you'll go all the way through the process. You'll add payment information here and you'll add that debit and credit card and you'll complete the checkout process. For items like preschool tuition, lunch balances, you will be able to set those as recurring charges once you've completed the entire checkout process. So you'll go through the checkout process and then at the end you'll have the option to set that as a recurring payment. So if we wanted to do, in this instance, $25 every week or every 2 weeks or every month, we'll have that option once we've completed the checkout process. Other fees, so you'll see that we can fund lunch here, which we've added $25 to the cart so far. We can come to optional fees here. And again, if we had multiple students, they would be listed here. We're going to be working with Johnny Doe, so I'm going to click on him. And if, for instance, we're paying Chromebook insurance, we can click on that. We can add that to our cart. If we were making preschool tuition, we could click on that, add that to our cart, and go through the checkout process. So that is how you create an account. That is how you attach a student to your account, and that's how you navigate to pay those fees in the system. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your school. We'll be happy to help, and we'll talk to you then.